You must be able to identify value. What can I do that can be exchanged for value? Sometimes people come and ask you for money and beg you for money. And when people come like that, one of the things that happen is you assist. But when it keeps happening, even an adult does not feel like wanting to come. Do you know what I'm talking about? Now, versus somebody came one day and said, Pastor, I've written a book. And when I looked at it, actually it's a booklet. Very, 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 very tiny, like this. I can finish it in 20 minutes. Everything he has written, I can finish in 20 minutes. But because he brought a product to me, okay, I have this value I want to contribute. He brought it. And guess what? I was compelled, because it's just natural to appreciate effort. You want to appreciate people's effort. I think I gave him 20,000 naira or so. That was many years ago now. For just a few pages. I think he probably was selling the book for 500 naira or 300 naira, because it was many years ago. But what happened? For that effort, I gave him 20,000 naira. So identify business, identify value.